Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is in collaboration with Yin Interiors and I have been waiting for this parcel since 2 weeks. So finally I got a chance to open this up and share with you guys. So let's quickly open this. And also I have been reading all your comments guys, so I will be making content related to that only. And this parcel is from Yin Interiors. You can follow up their Instagram handle. And I'm opening the parcel, so I think meanwhile you can pause the video and just guess that what could be inside exactly. So here are our cute things. So this is going to be a very aesthetic collection, and there are some more things, and I have to say that the packaging is really good. So whenever you order from their Instagram handle, you are going to get things really very well packed. You might be thinking that what are these small things, so just wait, I am opening everything. So this is a cement tray, and what I love about this is the color. Let me show you. Just I am taking out these tapes and keeping them aside. So yeah, this is our cement tray and the color is so good and it feels so aesthetic. And you can use it for anything. You can keep any candles, you can use it for keeping your jewelry, or you can even use for keeping your teacup, anything like that. And this little things, they are actually, I can already feel the scent. Yes guys, you guessed it right. These are little bubble candles. So one is of black color and this one is of off-white color. So let me open this up. And also guys, I have been reading your comments that you are really loving our videos. Thank you so much for that. And I think you can do a very good home decor with these kind of items. It even gives a very aesthetic feel. And also these are scented candles, and you can use it like this also. So the white one I have kept it upside down. You can use in that way also, because I think both of them are looking very cute. So you can see this has a flower shaped candle at the back, and from front it looks like bubbles. I actually always wanted something like this at my home, and now they are in my home. So I think this is something perfect home decor item which you can keep in your home, and you can just light up the candles in the evening and enjoy your evening. So the tray quality is also very good, and it is made from cement, so it will be very long lasting for us. And I'm planning to do a stop motion with it, so you can keep it like this way, and also you can keep any tea light candles inside. And this was from Yin Interiors. For any concerns, you can mail them, you can tag them to get featured in their videos. Thank you so much Yin Interiors for sending this to me. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will be reading all your comments, and I know that what you want next, and keep watching our channel. Subscribe to my channel, follow Yin Interiors, and keep loving us. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.